When did that get put there?
Ah,
Yeah, in LA, did.
yeah.
First time I fucking noticed it. Nothing them little bubbles.
That's how we went through it that way, in four-wheel drive. We weren't going fast.
You sang.
Just fucking stopped in the middle of the beach and that's it.